Hey, welcome back. So, last week you saw me um, do the sides of my angle iron piece out of a piece of angle iron. Um, in this video, I'm gonna show you the flat surfaces, uh, how I done that, and I want to make something like this. So with this setup, I gonna do the inside first. I need to put the tool slide this on this angle because otherwise we're gonna touch with this piece on that piece, and that's not good. So that's why my tool's sticking out like this. Second side of the inside angle iron. Next up, the other sides. And because this tool did a fine job on the inside, he may do the outside too. Yeah, I know, it's not the best setup, but it's working. Why not? Last surface to be roughed out. All sides are roughed out. Shortening the legs of the precision angle iron. So the plan is today we're gonna use my shearing tool to put a nice surface on the angle iron block. This my shear tool made out of a piece of tap. It's M16. It was M16, but yeah, this one we're gonna use. And as you saw in the picture, there's a V groove in my angle iron, and that we're gonna do with where's the tool? Oh no. Oh. So for the V groove we're gonna use this little tool with the V. I'm gonna make like a 45 degree angle in there, so we could put something round in it. First of all, build back the setup we need with my machine vise. So let's go. Oops. All the chips of last time. Be gone. So surface clean on this surface too. Okay. Wow, this one's so freaking tight. So the other bolt, it goes here. So now, my piece of angle iron. I took it to work, and I already put in the holes I want. This is a cross pattern, so I could put it in 45 degrees whenever I want, or rotate it by the center bolt. So now we're gonna do this surface first with the shearing tool to make it nice and flat. Then we're gonna indicate on this surface and do this surface, but before we're gonna do this surface with the shearing tool, we are gonna make the V-groove in here. But first, need to chamfer everything, because it's not nice to handle right now. So, primitive way. Let's see if I could get a nice grip on this. Do I want to do this side too? That's the question. I don't know. It's maybe better like so. The inside bits. Hey, stay put. And the last 2 bits. Now the little bit of radii. I'm gonna use a round file. So, sorry, this one. Yeah, that's done. Stickiness. Clean up the place again. So, first the bottom side. It should be able to rotate. If I put it like this, nope, it will not, because this one is. Um, where do I put you? This indicator palm isn't working like it's supposed to because it was damaged in this area here, and now it's always seizing up on me. Going this way, or we start over here. Stupid thing. Okay, now we've got that set 0. Tighten this one. Back to the other side. Okay, so this is ready to go. Remove the dial. So I dialed in on this side. It's like a 200th of a millimeter, not straight up, but that's not a problem because we're gonna do this service first. When this service is on this side, we're gonna dial it in again, and then it needs to be reading 0 here and here, and then it's pretty good, I believe. Pretty nice chips. So the first pass did not clean it all. As you can see, this little corner over here has a different color. That's the old stuff. So we need to put one more pass down. And we are almost at the end now. So let's get restarted at the beginning and do it again. So this corner is now cleaned up. This is looking pretty nice for now. Let's do a spring pass again at 25 meters a minute. Yeah, let's wind it back and redo it without any downforce or putting the tool lower than it is. Just a spring pass to clean everything. So the last pass, finishing pass, otherwise known as a spring pass, and when it's done we're gonna do the other side. So spring pass done, feeling pretty smooth. I thought I had a bigger chamfer tool for these holes, but my biggest chamfer tool is dropping straight through the holes. So that I will do off camera sometime. Let's see how the angle is between this and this side. That's why I've got this nice angle meter thingy. So yeah, let's see if I dialed it in nicely enough. So as you can see, it's looking pretty good. I will lock this one up. Wait, so. Oh. Let's see. Can you see? Focus please. It's 0/90, so it's looking pretty good. Now flip it around, dial in this side for this side, and we're gonna make the V-groove first. So clean this up and I will bring you back when we're gonna start cutting the V-groove. This is my janky setup. It's there we go. So it's straight from this side, it's straight over so, and it's straight over this way. So we can now try and cut the V-groove. So let's get started. So, and now we're gonna go in from this side. The little V-groove is done, as you can see. Now we only need to finish cut this side, and I will leave it like this because everything is nicely dialed in, and those cuts are lighter cuts than what we have done here. Put the shear tool back in. So So let's finish this part up. So this looks done. Oops. It looks pretty nice. Let's see if the angle is still right. Can we measure that? No, we can't. Oopsie. Exactly 90 degrees. The V, this side, as you can see, not so deep, but it's not important to be very deep. It's for little round pieces. Something not working. Okay, I got my tools.